In this video, I'll answer the question, can you download the Castle app on a laptop? The short answer is yes, but it depends on whether an official PC version is available or if your Android emulator. First, check whether the Castle app offers an official version for Windows or Mac by visiting its official website or trusted download source. If an official desktop version is available, simply download the installer. If there is not dedicated laptop version, you can still use the app by installing an Android emulator. Popular Android emulators allow you to run mobile applications. Once the emulator is installed, sign in with your Google account. Next, search up for the Castle app and install it. After installation is complete, launch the app from the emulator's home screen. You can now use the Castle app directly from your laptop using your keyboard and mouse. Keep in mind that performance may vary depending on your computer's hardware specifications. And that's it. That's the answer to whether you can download the Castle app on a laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.